Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we have the unboxing of the Hot Wheels Transformers Silver Series case. We had Transformers themed cars before, but I think never a full set featuring the very known alien robots factions in their war between Autobots and Decepticons, so this is going to be very fun to open. I get my cases from Hot Wheels Hunter, and if you want to get yours, go check his site. I will leave a link in the description. The first one out of the case is a Decepticon, so the bad guys. The Ford Mustang GT, featuring Barricade. One of the oldest castings in today's case unboxing, this Mustang GT was part of the first Transformers movie, the one from 2007, directed by Michael Bay. The casting is looking great, although if you search, it had many other variations that look close to this one, obviously without the Transformers logo or theme. There was one issue with it, as it has been recalled, and the most important difference is the text on the back fender, being removed for the second time, and also a different number on the doors. Barricade as a character was a high-ranking member of the Decepticons and one of the arch-enemy of Bumblebee. I don't know how many of you enjoyed the Michael Bay movies, but I did. At least the first 3 of them were great and really fun to watch. Second out of the case, part of the Autobots team, the Corvette C7R, featuring Crosshair. Not as old as the Mustang, released in 2015, this Corvette is part of the newer Michael Bay movies Age of Extinction and Last Night, where he was a mechanic and weapons tactician. Transformers universe is huge, the lore expands to comic books, animated series, movies and toys, and for me it's hard to keep track on all of them, but I definitely enjoyed almost everything I have seen. The Corvette has some cool mainline variations, with the most important one probably being the ID series in 2019. You will see going forward that the card artwork has only 2 themes, the same for the cars representing the Autobots and for the ones representing the Decepticons. It's part of the Silver Series, the prices are not high, so I guess not too much work was put into them, although I say that all the cars look great for what they are. Probably the most interesting one, at least for me, is the Bugatti Veyron, featuring Drift. The story of Drift, another Autobot part of Transformers Age of Extinction, is that he was actually a Decepticon samurai first, and he did slaughter many Autobots, but he turned around after his experience in the war and keen on regaining his honor. The Hot Wheels Bugatti Veyron is a very known model, not without its issues, not to mention it has more than one version. This model is the retool from 2021 and it does come with some fixes, but the most important one is the gap from the back wheels. The biggest issue of the version released in 2003, of course until 2010, when Hot Wheels lost the license to Bugatti. Got it back after about 10 years and it's almost the same to what happened to Ferrari license, but we know now that Hot Wheels got it back. They officially announced it and I'm very excited about the future releases, especially the premium ones. Another retool of the Veyron was in 2023, and so far it's the final release, being made after the production model compared to the previous version, which was made after the concept version. Drift definitely chose one of the best cars to transform into. Of course we needed to have the Bug, featuring Bumblebee, the legendary Autobot. All the cars in this set feature different movies and animations, so they're not all part of the same IP. The Volkswagen Beetle has been used many times before, as it has been released in 2007, so one of the long-running castings in Hot Wheels series. The issue this time is that the movie it's based on, Bumblebee movie from 2018, didn't have this version of the Bug, but the non-custom one that we had in the mainlines last year. In the K case as a yellow variation, the exact model from the movie, followed in the Q case by the golden variation. Besides the obvious color difference, the Autobots logo on them are different colors. I am not sure why they chose the custom version and not the one actually featured in the movie, but they have the license, so they used it on a Volkswagen they found fit. There are so many variations of this Beetle released in the mainlines that I am sure you have at least one. The last casting of the set, another very old one, Pagani Huayra, featuring Stinger. A Decepticon meant to be a copy of Bumblebee, his evil twin, also appeared in the Age of Extinction movie, and we have 3 characters from that movie in total, and it's not even one of the best movies released. He definitely chose one of the cool exotic cars, as Huayra is a very interesting release in Hot Wheels series in 2013, having interesting releases in the mainline segment as well as premium and an NFT garage variation in 2022. I am not sure who would win if you would make all these Transformers fight. As a casting, I have my money on the Bugatti Veyron. As a character, I definitely go with Bumblebee, but I say it's interesting what Hot Wheels have done with this set overall. If you enjoyed the Transformers case unboxing video, then subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications about the future uploads. Thank you for watching, make room in your collection for the future Ferrari releases, and have a great day ahead.